Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. I went out after 3 months to get art supplies because I was feeling very low and I ran out of art supplies obviously. So I'll unpack it, I'll sanitize it first, I'll unpack it and show it to you, okay? Wait. These are the chalk paints, primer, Fevicol. Since artists never have enough brushes, so more and more brushes. Masking tapes and few fancy things which I couldn't stop myself from buying. So let's go use it. All this shopping is for my family Ganpati. The idea is to create a fort wall using the MDF board. I'll be applying a layer of primer first and then a thin layer of Fevicol for it to dry quickly. I'm spreading it evenly with the brush so that I can apply tissue paper on top of it. The tissue paper will give a 3D texture like a rock wall. I'm making the tissue layer thick to get natural deeper shadows even in normal lighting conditions. Now I'm applying Fevicol water to ensure it sticks firmly and softens the edges a bit. I kept it overnight for drying and now I can paint. I'm using chalk paint to give matte luster. Mixing little white to get tint of black. This is how the final version looks. So my cousin has come to take me to his place to make the further decorations. हाँ चांगलं झालं का? So through this video, I really want to know in which language I should talk while doing the video, because pehle to I don't want anyone to not feel connected to me, and second, I can't speak any language properly. त्यांना माहितच नाही काय करतोय आपण. व्लॉग करतो आम्ही.
उडशील
इथे ना आपण असं पण लावू शकलो असतो, हे सगळं ना इथे पण लावू शकलो असतो. माझ्याकडे होता घरी, भरपूर आहे घरी. संपवायचं पण आहे आम्हाला. हे पोलीस लोक पकडतात का असं शूट केलं तर? आम्ही इथे पेट्रोल भरायला आलोय. लाईन बघा किती मोठी आहे. आणि इथे आता पाऊस आला तर मला बाजूला उभं केलंय. सायनसवाल्यांना कोरोना लगेच होतो का? होत नाही म्हणजे तो तुला होऊन गेला असणार कोरोना, मला कळणार नाही. बापरे, मला पण होते सर्दी सारखे सारखे. मी आता कॅमेरा घेणार आहे ब्लॉगिंगसाठी. थोडेसे हे झालं, सबस्क्रायबर्स वाढल्यावर. काय माहिती, दादा बघेल ते, मला काय नाही कळत यातलं. So we are back home to pick up.
नाही घेता येणार सगळ्यात जातोय. रोल आहे सावकाश, नाही तर मी अडकून पडेल त्याच्याबरोबर. नाही इंडोच्या आणविशेष म्हणजे व्हॉट्सअप.
Let's make the outlines first.
पोडापट्टी म्हणजे काय म्हणजे नाक तुटते.
जल्दी
पगार
जल्दी
नहीं मिलेगा.
ऐसा कट गया ना तो तेरा खून भी लुट जाता है मतलब
पूरा माल मेरा भी नौकरी कर जाएगा.
The orange thing that you see is again MDF board. It is a very good alternative to thermocol and cardboard. Thermocol, as most of you all know, is not eco-friendly, and cardboards, in the monsoon when Ganpati is there, tend to catch moisture and doesn't stand still.
हातात कात्री मस्त द्यायची म्हणे. भांडतो म्हणे.
अंगावर टाकल्यानंतर उलटी घुसली दिसली तर ते जास्त भांडण
भांडण बंद होईल ना, माणूसच बंद होईल.
आणि धरून डोळ्यात मारायचं. स्लो अँड स्टडी.
ऑर्डर आला टाका. अब भी ठीक करके देता मैं चल रहा थे.
फिर मजा आएगा ना वीडियो.
कीर्तन कर नाट का नाम सुना है.
हॉर्नेटो मध्ये देखा तू.
हा नाही ट्राय केलं मी, मला ते फनी नाही वाटलं.
किती बाप आहे तुझं बोलतो. तुला एका एपिसोड मध्ये ना पाहिजे.
हा खूप जजमेंट आहे.
My cousin has given orange color with polyluster to sort of give it a metallic look. We are adding details by pasting those small cardboard pieces to again add a 3D effect. This masking tape, I tell you, it's such a lifesaver when you need to get those perfect borders. Look at it. This feels so satisfying. Perhaps the best part of the project because it's the first time I'm using it and I was very excited. This is why we had gone home to bring the cardboard. The grooves present on it make our work so much easier. Just by brushing white paint, we got an awesome 3D effect. A special note on the occasion of different kind of Ganpati we celebrated in this historic year. Maybe this is the ideal way to celebrate, the way it should have been all these years, other than the fact that we didn't get to meet our relatives and friends. May Bappa bless you, for he cares about the ones struggling through the odds, be it mentally, emotionally, physically, or financially. One great thing about this year is that a lot of money got saved in crackers, fancy clothes, sweets, and got utilized in real valuable things. Hit like if you agree. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. That's how I'll know that you liked it.